Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on this Mac Mini. This is the M4 edition. So let's unbox it and see exactly what comes in it. You're going to peel these tabs right here. With the green arrow, we're going to peel these tabs. This has the 16 gigabytes of memory and 512 gigabytes SSD card. So be careful, it could fall out. There's what it looks like. Here's the Mac Mini right here. Now we are going to take this plastic off. Now the reason I'm getting it is because it's got more USB-C ports and Thunderbolt ports. Okay, so it looks like we have a headphone jack. There's a light. These are USB-C ports. We turn it around back. 4 of these are Thunderbolt ports. But it looks like around back we've got 3 USB-C ports. HDMI port, looks like a landline for hooking up the internet, and a power cable. There's the power button. So you're going to set it down like this, but the power button is on the bottom. You do have to press that to power it on. Looks like some ventilation. No real grippy material there. It's not super heavy. The edges are kind of sharp. So let's see what else comes in the box. Here's the power cord. Okay. There's some paperwork in here. Let's see what this is all about. Okay, yeah, the first 2 on the front are USB-C ports. Status light, headphone jack, Ethernet port. There's only 3 Thunderbolt ports on the back. I thought there was 4. That's it. There's nothing else in the box. So let's take a look at the power cord. Let's open it up. It's kind of a braided feel, 2-prong, and you're simply going to plug it in right here. Now, I did measure the power cord is 6 feet long. It looks like you can plug it in either way, it'll go in. Okay, let's measure. 5 inch, it's a 5-inch square. Thickness wise, now it's 2 inches tall. Now with the cable sticking out the back, that's about 6 inches before you can, about 7 inches before you can start bending that. Let's do there's some measurements for the cables, and here's some measurements in the front. So you can hook up a monitor with an HDMI port or a Thunderbolt 4 port. It does have Wi-Fi, so connect this to your Wi-Fi in your house. There is Bluetooth also. You can have a Bluetooth mouse and a Bluetooth keyboard. You don't have to physically connect the keyboard, but you can, if you want, physically connect the keyboard here. But there's only 2 USB-C ports, 3 Thunderbolt ports, which are kind of like USB-C ports, HDMI port. So I hope this unboxing video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.